Hello and welcome to the Level Up Powerful 3x3 Matrix. This is going to be the easiest money and the fastest money that you can make. It's time to level up and get the bag. Level Up is a powerful three-phase 3x3 gifting matrix that can help you to grab some fast cash now. It's actually super simple. Let's look at our 3 steps. Step number 1, you're going to join for only $10. That's right, only $10 to get started. Step number 2, you're going to bring in only 3 friends at $10. That's mandatory. You can definitely bring in more, but mandatorily we ask that you bring in 3 friends. That's super simple at $10, guys. The next step is advance through the 3 phases and cash out a total of $15,500. Now I want you to understand something, guys. This here is not a guarantee of earnings or anything like that. This is something that you will have to work toward to make it happen by simply joining for $10, bringing in 3 people. As they advance through the levels just as you can reach these numbers. The hustle is 100% up to you and the team that you're bringing in at only $10, guys. Before you spend that $10, let's be 100% crystal clear. $10 is not a lot of money. We know that it's not a lot of money. But before bringing anyone into our community, it's your responsibility that our mission is made clear to them. A recap of our mission is this. It's only $10 to join, yes. Bring 3 people with $10, advance through the 3x3 levels, right? The 3 level phases, and you're going to earn $15,500. That is it, guys. Make that 100% clear to anyone that you're bringing over here. Everyone must come in with $10. Everyone must bring 3 others at $10. When I show you the illustration and the numbers, you're going to see the power. You're going to definitely see the power of 3 people and $10. Let's look at our illustration and our phases. We have phase number 1, phase number 2, and our final phase, which is phase number 3. Each one of our phases has 3 levels, and they began at the $10 level. Let's move from the left to the right. We have our levels, donations, the number of friends, and you'll notice right here where it says the same 3 friends. So when you come in with 3, you can just walk straight through this thing with the same 3 people. Monies received and upgrades, these are our upgrade levels, and this is the money that you really want to pay attention to because it gives you your total down here. So let's move from the left to the right and get started. Let's assume that you're already in. You've already sent $10 to your sponsor via it can be Cash App, PayPal, however they're accepting it, right? Now, when you send that $3, you're in position now to start earning yourself. You're going to share this with 3 of your friends or family members for a total of $30. When you multiply that 10 by the 3, you have $30. From the $30, you're going to quickly upgrade into the $20 position. Now, I tell all of my team members, you do not have to wait. The minute that you get that $20 upgrade in your hand, you can go ahead and upgrade to it because you know the other 10 is coming. So you're going to upgrade for $20, then you're going to have $10 left over. One more time. You're going to bring in 3 people at 10. You're going to receive $30. You're going to upgrade for 20. You're going to keep 10. Put 10 in the bank. Now, when your 3 people duplicate your effort, because duplication is the key, upgrading at $20 just like you did, time the 3 people, that'll give you 60. From the 60, upgrade for 40, bank 20. Guys, see how the money is piling up from a $10 one-time investment. When your team members duplicate that last effort, coming up at $40 on the upgrade, time the 3 people, that is $120. From the $120, you're going to now go into phase number 2 for $100. That's going to leave you $20. Let's look at the totals for phase number 1. You have a total of $50 that went into your bank account after your upgrades. That is amazing, right? $50 in already, you only started with 10. Let's go down and continue. Let's look at phase number 2. Phase number 2, the same thing apply. At this particular point right here, you upgraded and went into this level for 100. You're going to bring your 3 friends over with you. Now that's time 3. That is 300 in. From the 300, upgrade into level number 2 of phase 2 for 200, banking for yourself another 100. When your team members duplicate that effort because they want to make money too, when they upgrade into the 200, time the 3 great people you brought in, that is $600. From the 600, upgrade for 400, bank 200. Do you see how this thing is creating money? It's powerful, right? When your team members duplicate your effort going into the 400 at level 3, phase 2, for $400 time to 3 people is $1,200. From the $1,200, big upgrade takes place now, and you're going to see why. You're going to upgrade for $1,000, leaving you a total for phase number 2 $500. That's not bad, right? You only came in with 10. You've already accumulated 500 on phase 2 and 50 on phase number 1. Let's look at our last phase, which is phase number 3, and the power of that upgrade. You're going to see the power of that $1,000 upgrade now. So you've upgraded for $1,000, right? Here come your team members following you, and time that $1,000 in 3, that's $3,000. You're going to upgrade for $2,000, bank $1,000. When your great team members do the same thing, upgrade for $2,000, time the 3 people, see it's the same 3, time those same 3 people is $6,000. Guys, that's looking good, right? From the $6,000, upgrade for 4, bank 2. Remember, you started with $10. We're over here talking $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. It's amazing, right? You're going to bank $2,000. When your team members finally do what you did and upgrade for that $4,000, time the 3 people, that is $12,000. But look, it says no more upgrades because you've already seized the entire 3 levels. Now, if you would like, you can start all over with the same 3 people and do it all over again. It's 100% up to you. That leaves a total of $12,000 because there was no upgrade, for a total phase 3 profits of $15,000. Let's look at the 3 phases and how much we have accumulated. In phase number 1, you made $50. In phase number 2, you banked $500. In phase number 3, you banked $15,000 for a total of $15,550 from a $10 3-friend investment, guys. This thing is amazing. There's nothing hard about it. You get in here and you can make this money by simply sharing this video with other people, letting them look at this and see for themselves how easy it is to make big money with a small investment. This is your boy KR, and I appreciate you stopping by, looking at my video. Get with the person that sent you here. Let them know that you have your $10 and you're ready to go. Let's make it happen for everyone. Let's get this $15,500 into our bank accounts so we can ease some of the bills and the stress financially that we're feeling. Thank you for stopping by, and have a great day. Take care.